It really depends on how bad the staining is. Before you turn to any chemical cleansers, try a little elbow grease. If that doesn't remove the soot and grime, you're going to have to up your game. Trisodium phosphate, also known as TSP, will remove stains from brick and stone. You can find it at your local hardware store. Apply it with a cloth and wipe it off according to package directions. But be careful. It's only toxic if ingested. However, it could irritate your skin, so be sure to wear gloves when you're using it. If TSP doesn't work, you could also try muriatic acid, although exercise extreme caution because this stuff is toxic. Use it in a well-ventilated area, wear gloves, wear goggles, and make sure you follow package directions to the letter. To be safe, use it on a small test area first so that you know it won't discolor your brick and stone. As is so often the case, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Don't let that stain build up in the first place. The smoke from your fire should be traveling up your chimney, not staining your stone. If the problem persists, it's a clear sign that your fireplace needs a tune-up.